Hello folks, Trade Idea Stock Market Scanning Technologies coming at you here. We're looking at our virtual trading assistant Holly and some trades that she went through today. We want to highlight the risk management as well, so we'll kick it off with PI and an entry of 66.46. Stops deep down here at 63.31, low of the day. We may or may not agree with that stop. Maybe it's too deep, but we're thinking about risk management. Most important part of trading. We can see the trade has gone on to be a winner. CIEN with a 48.95 entry. 47.34 stop. Again, we're thinking about risk management. Trade moved into the money, a little bit of a pullback, moved in further into the money, a little bit more of a pullback, back up further into the money. Again, highlighting human and machine. How do we want to manage these quality entries and calls? NCNC, the most important one that I'd like to highlight today at 2:27, we make the entry and we've got about 25 minutes. We can see on these 5-minute candles on that move up before a collapse. Realistically, no successful trader would let a trade reverse like that on them, and that's why human and machine is so important. Machine can't always make the pivots that we can make. If you like what you saw here, you want to learn more, trade-ideas.com. Come check us out. We have a new Market Scope 360 page you could look at, get some free delayed data, see some more scanning. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care, everybody.